how to use Expedia Travel Protection feature. To use Expedia Travel Protection feature, you must view your coverage terms under your account trips portal and file a claim directly through the third-party insurance partner. Expedia acts as the marketplace seller, meaning payouts and approvals are handled entirely by the designated underwriter rather than the Expedia customer service. So, first of all, launch the mobile application on your device, then tap on the Trips option from the bottom navigation bar. Now, scroll down to the Trips Benefits or Trip Protection section to locate your policy number and insurer info. From here, you simply have to open your policy portal link via the Expedia Help Center or your insurer's portal. Then select the Modify Protection and adjust the coverage window to match your updated itinerary. Then gather proof for your claim, then file the official insurance claim, and you should be good to go. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.